Hey everybody. So basically today there is a blizzard warning issue like this part of Minnesota. There's a Cook County here, but this is southern part of Cook County. Rest of this area is a winter storm warning. We got the winter storm warning. The area is like this blue area here. Dang it. There's a blizzard warning. We open it over here. So, Southern Cook, including the city of Grand Marais or something like that. Blizzard warning in effect 5 a.m. Sunday to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Sorry about that, everyone. But what? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 10 to 16 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Southern Cook County. Okay, this includes the tree bale lands of the Grand Portage Reservation. From 5 a.m. Sunday to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. So yeah, sorry, I'm issues here, but impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Patchy blown snow could significantly reduce visibility. Yeah. I would say don't travel. Know before you travel. Additional details. The worst conditions should be during this day on Sunday. So yeah, expect like bad conditions like Sunday. Yeah, don't know before you travel. And if you're gonna travel and a blizzard like this. So basically, like 10 to 16 inches, like 10 like basically up to a foot of snow here, a little over a foot. Well, 10 inches is not a foot. A foot is 12 inches, but basically 10 to 16 inches. So yeah, I would say yeah, that's still pretty bad. 10 is pretty close to a foot. 16 inches past is precautionary preparedness actions. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511 road conditions. Can also be found oh my gosh at 511mn.org Minnesota or 511wi.gov for Wisconsin. So a blizzard drive to or strong too. So yeah, the blizzard here's the warning. Not either. Iron winter storm. Okay, I don't like this one. This is like different counties. So we want like this. So we got like winter storm for Southern Lake, Qualton, and South St. Louis. What the? Okay, we're talking like this one talking about 9 to 15 inches in northern Cook and Lake, including Cook and Lake counties, including the city of Isabella, like 9 to 15 inches. Yeah, I'm not gonna really paste. Do it. Here's one that I could use. Douglas. I think that's the name of the county. Bayfield and Ash, including the cities of Superior, Washburn, Bayfield, and Ashland. Ashland. I don't know. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches. Wind gusting as high as 35 miles per hour, so nothing really bad. Where Douglas, it's called Douglas, but I don't know. Bayfield, Ashland counties. This includes the tribal lands of the Red Cliff Band and the Bad River Reservation. 1. From midnight tonight to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details. The worst conditions should be during this day on Sunday, so yeah. Know before you travel and you got that stuff to their impact. But yeah. 7 to 11 inches over north. 7 to 11 inches. I'll bring up something else. So, this is too much here. Now, moving in like 6 p.m. tonight. See the snow here. I mean, I'm getting the snow, but the snow here, I'm not, but there is some snow right here, a little further. You see others, how it moves in and it moves out. Just look at that, see, when it moves in more, okay, and then it moves in more, and we got this, all of this snow right here, just, yeah, but you have all that snow. And we go a little, and we go a little more to over here. You see the snow is, that's in the blizzard. That's when the blizzard hits. Oops. Right here. At like midnight on December 5th. Well, I'll be like tonight anyways. Go at 6 a.m. on December 5th. You see that blizzard hits right here. And then we go to noon, 12 p.m. on December 5th. Still blizzard. Well, actually not blizzard, winter storm, maybe. No, wait, this isn't the blizzard ends, but you see that winter storm passes through, you still have some snow. Then go later, and then we go later on. It's gone, so later on, a little bit. So this is a little bit more. We got snow here, and then after that, we got those little ones, but then done. And then you got lake effect here. Looks like, yeah. So for travel, no way for travel. I mean, major impact on winter weather today. That blizzard was supposed to happen. That west was moderate, minor, and limited. Yeah, me too. Here it is. And it's slow, so it won't zoom in like it's supposed to. Many talk about the major impact. Red orange water. Yeah, extensive property damage likely. Life, like, life-saving action needed. Okay. Extensive property damage likely. Life-saving actions needed will likely result in major disruptions to daily life and the moderate impacts. It's the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but often threatening to life and property. Some damage unavoidable, typically result in disruption to daily life. So yeah, plan on this blood until it's done, but it's oh my god. Best thing to two day two. There it is. Oh, oh, never mind. Yeah, here we got right here. Well, into the winter. It goes into the winter storm too. 1,000 years. Well, that's some moderate impacts here. Ice accumulation. I think day 2 actually. It's not day 2. Okay, never mind. Ice accumulation. Doesn't want to load. Nothing today. Nothing. No, but what about flash free? Free, not gonna work today. Blowing snow. Yeah, see, impact, minor impacts, minor impact. You got major impact, no extreme impact. Good for that. And ground blizzard too. They're talking about a blizzard. That's they're talking about a blizzard warning. And you have no ground blizzard. Seriously, I can't believe. Let's the next. Today is Saturday. You gotta travel, but now a good time to travel because not knowing yet. Oh, nice. Alright, snow accumulation tomorrow, Sunday. Is an extreme risk, significant risk, See, light snow and or sleet accumulation will result in locally hazardous travel conditions, especially on bridges, overpasses, on trees, or secondary roads. Elevated, considerable snow and or sleet accumulation will cause significant travel disruptions. That's elevated. Significant heavy snow and or sleet accumulation will result in widespread travel disruptions. And then extreme. Extreme snow and or sleet accumulation will result in widespread prolonged travel disruptions. So yeah. Today just limited and elevated. Tomorrow the extreme, and the third day limited. The excessive cold there too, but nothing really to know. With everything, but yeah, just focusing on this. No ice accumulation, no, but just less snow and marine forecasts. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm gonna travel today in these oceans. Limited wind or wind gusts 25 knots and or waves greater than or equal to 6 feet or 2 elevated wind or wind gusts 34 equal greater than or equal to 34 knots, or else everything limited greater than or equal to 25 knots, no knots, and or waves greater than or equal to 8 feet. Significant colors I have here: yellow, orange, red, and purple. But significant wind gusts equal to greater than or equal to 48 knots, and or waves greater than or equal to 10 feet, and yeah, but no I'm extreme. Tomorrow, the whole, like most of it is the next day. Yeah, it's still significant. They're saying elevated because they don't know. And next one until Wednesday, Thursday, and you got Friday, all elevated. This day is just, never mind. There's a limited risk, but yeah. No good to travel through heavy freezing spray. I mean, this is just fog. Nothing really bad unless you're gonna travel. No reason. Extra flood. Anyway, a long time. Yeah, let's go to the next one now. Done. Let's speed up, but we'll be done. Speed up. Oh, winter weather. Like forecasts. This is not here. On it. It's slow. Here it is. Alright. Which we don't need to be at. Yeah. Here it is. The local winter key messages. The blizzard warning. We have the winter storm warnings. The total advent total snow. Yeah. Now this. Now you can just see it. Actually, you can see it better like this zoomed in. But yeah. 12 to 18 inches of snow. Basically a foot of snow. 8 to 12 inches of snow, so maybe a foot. Well, 8 to a foot. 8 inches to a foot of snow, basically 8 to 12 inches of snow. 12 to 18 inches of snow in Hurley, a foot. Grand Marais, 12 to 18 inches of snow, so basically a foot of snow. Expect school closures, but then you got 8 to 12 inches of snow. And over in Silver Bay, and you see it's Italy, Virginia, I don't know how to say that. Grand Rapids, Big Falls, and International Falls. 12 to 8 to 18 inches in Hurley. Expected snowfall. Down here only 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 3 to 4, 2 to 3, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Over in Duluth, 6 to 8 in Walker. 6 inches, 6 to 8 inches in Duluth, and 6 to 8 inches in Walker. And Walker. So yeah, rain amount 15 inches. 16 inches. So yeah, expect some school closures while we're on the thing. The low end amount 8 inches, 7 inches. Yeah, so expect expect some school closures going on. Yeah, so expect accumulation forecasts. Nothing. 6-hour snowfall. Oops. Can't click on that. Winter storms really index network. Yeah, you can see that. Come on, there we go. Medium and long range. Does not load. I don't like this. Yeah. So don't travel. And yeah. But yeah, I should end it like that. Oh my gosh. I want to load. Some there, but right here. Winter storm tonight. You can see that. Accumulating snow will begin tonight, or winter storm tonight through Monday morning. Accumulating snow will begin tonight and last until early morning. Well, early Monday morning. Highest total along North Shore with a blizzard warning. Lake effect lingers Monday. Winter storm warnings and blizzard warning tonight. And the first winter storm of the season is nearly here. Winter storm watches have upgraded to winter storm warnings, pink, and even a blizzard warning, red orange. North Shore. Well, we are looking at widespread snow across the area tonight through Monday. Lake enhancement along the North Shore will cause locally higher totals as shown in the map. Total closer to central Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin could see some variability depending on the storm's exact track. Lake effect snow will cause snow showers to linger around the Hurley area Monday morning. So yeah, puking snow from the lake effect snow will do too. Snow will just puke and snow won't puke, but the storm it'd be like snow's puking the ground, and you'll have a lot of snow accumulation. Yeah. So stay safe out there. Know before you travel. Yeah. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to his channel and click the notification bell so you never forget, never miss another update. And make sure to make sure to stay and make sure if you like this update, click the like button. If you didn't like it, click the dislike button. But before you click the like button, birds. Bye.